dear, we are again from Belted.tv and here is something speed.
Oh, speed.
Alright. Now, when you think about the speed,
Yeah,
there
we
is
are
a train,
Oh.
there is a car, there is a computer, there is a
plane,
plane,
spacecraft.
spacecraft and whatnot. Wherever you go, you need speed because you want to do everything very, fast. That's why people are always preferring the speed. Now, because of all this speed,
Yeah.
all the scientists have started thinking about the speed.
Yeah.
And they have brought a quantum leap in
My
this, a
goodness.
giant leap where they have jumped from a very normal speed to the very, very high speed that is a light year speed. Light
Oh
year
my
speed.
goodness.
That means people want to reach at the speed of light.
My
Yes.
goodness. So,
Now, what will happen?
friends, Mr. Shashikant is going to tell you about highest speed, where it is exactly. So you will come to know how speedily you have to proceed in your life.
Because you want to do a transaction very fast, because you want to explore your idea very fast, and because you want to do everything where everything is possible.
Fast.
That is what I want to say. And,
What you want to
and
say?
because of this speed, people today have their computers with
Okay.
quantum physics,
Uh-huh.
with nanotechnology, and with the kind of technology when we used to be with such kind of computers where we have a normal speed as on today. We got the capacity of
Very
say,
normal.
5 million data at a time, but now
In one computer.
this will be 3,000 more time than whatever you have thought.
In one computer.
In one computer, that means there
My
will be a
goodness.
supercomputers. So these
With
supercomputers,
highest speed, as much data as you
Now, the
want, you can
Hyperloop.
go on feeding, go on feeding, go
now
on.
the Hyperloop trains at the speed of, instead of 225 or 230 or 275 bullet trains, instead of that, now the Hyperloop trains are coming and
With?
that will be 1,000 kilometer per hour. Again,
1,000 kilometer per hour.
again, a most
believe.
blasting thing I would like to tell you, that
But
is
we are viewers definitely anxious to know what is the highest speed. Mr. Shashikant ji is going to tell us, isn't it?
I tell you.
Yes.
I tell you.
So please.
You are thinking that on the earth, we are reaching at jet speed, rocket speed, this speed, that speed. But now you want to go in so many planets. What will you do?
We all want
so
to
how
go.
many times, how many years it will take to reach to a planet, say on Mars?
Maybe 2-3 years, isn't it?
Wrong.
Don't say like that. Now we all are viewers, educated people. How can we be wrong?
Again, I'm telling you, you are wrong.
Mr.
Now,
Shashikant,
yes.
don't say that viewers or me is wrong.
I'm sorry,
Our,
but
our conclusion may be little bit here and there.
it is not little
18
here,
to
be
20.
here and there.
Then,
Within a 37 hours, you will be on the Mars.
37 hours. I thought 37 maybe years. But not like
Yes.
that, viewers.
Yes.
Only 37 years just to reach
Not 37 years, my dear.
37
Hours.
hours.
Correct
Reach.
yourself. Still, you are in the past.
Viewers,
You have to think
we are
that what is
thinking
happening
about
in the
our
current.
views. Yeah.
What is happening in the current. So, in a 37 hours, you are reaching to the Mars, and you will surprise that within a fraction of second. That means a 1 second you will be reaching from India to New York.
Within
Do
1
you
second.
agree?
1 second.
Within a second.
Viewers, only within a second means we are just
And
not.
I'm closing now the entire speed
We are
project.
not just finishing our climbing in the spacecraft or even in our plane.
Correct.
By the time you have to jump out of the plane to
Right.
reach
That's it.
New York.
So I am closing because now you will not ready to digest what I'm telling.
Not
So
at
I
all,
say,
not at
because
all.
you went jump to the 37 years, I understood. Ma'am, still you are in the past. So I'm closing here, and what I'm saying
Mr.
is,
Shashikant,
yeah,
1 second.
okay,
You are saying
Okay.
to me and viewers
To you
that
viewers.
we are in past,
past,
we are in present. But as per your study about spacecraft and our study about spacecraft is little bit here and there. So we are always viewers ready to know what Mr. Shashikant of Belzo TV says about day-to-day
My
news.
dear friends, my dear viewers, such so many things in the medical science, in the routine transaction, in the computers, in the business, and in so many things in all walks of life. You have to believe, you have to accept, and you have to understand that what is going to happen in the next
Or
few years.
happening day to day. So viewers, you can just watch such type of videos
Exactly.
only and
On-
only on Belzo
Belzo.tv.
TV. And for that you have to do what? Something very nominal thing, that please download Belzo TV application from Google Play Store.
Exactly.
And one more thing, either you can contact to Belzo TV through ads.segula@gmail.com, or I am always there with my email ID as harshaguntala@gmail.com.
You can subscribe, you can watch, you can share this video, and tell us what is your view.